All right, guys, we've just been dispatched to a call where a guy's reporting a rat inside his $55,000 antique piano. Let's see over here, guys. Oh, there it is, right there. There it is.
Where?
Right there, right there. Never been to a call like this before.
No.
And we're about to get it out right now. All right, guys, we just arrived. Let's go get this bad baby out. Oh, Jacob.
Oh my God!
How are
It's
you?
the twins! Wow!
Yes.
That's amazing. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having us. What a beautiful place.
Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. I'd like you to help me out with the piano first because I have a very expensive piano
Yep.
here.
Okay.
I can show you what these rats did. I find they're staying inside the piano.
Okay.
I can assure you that they stole some of the chocolates from the kitchen, and I can show you from this angle.
Wow.
See, and you can see
Oh,
the
there's
pieces
the wrapper
of the,
right there. So he brought the candy on
he
top
brought
of
the
it.
he brought the candy from there to here, and not. I think he's staying inside this piano, and I'm scared to go in there because it makes a lot. I try to get him out. I can't. I can't even sleep. I can walk in the house, and I think it's a lot more than one. There's a bunch of these rats.
Well, here's what we're going to do today. We're going to focus on this piano right now,
Okay.
and then we're going to start. What I'd like to do is we'll focus and do a walkthrough, and we'll investigate the entire house to see where they're migrating. So right before you called our office, you heard the rat inside the...
Yes, all night long I heard the rat, and actually I was very scared to open the piano. I called you, and you came very fast.
Okay.
I appreciate it. Maybe you can open it and see where the rat is. Maybe he's dead or
Yep.
he's alive. I'm scared to go to near the piano.
No, I just heard a little scratching. Okay, all right. So look at, guys. John, here's what we need to do.
Jimmy, we gotta get our smoke to...
No, let's open it up first and let's inspect inside here first. Then we can maneuver from there. Oh, let's open. Go slow. Go
Don't
slow.
worry. Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry. Just put. And it actually
There's a
this.
stick.
You can put it in here.
Okay.
Or no, just one place.
Yeah,
right
this
there.
is good right here.
See the droplets? Look. You
Oh
see,
my
these are
God.
all. I was scared to go clean up.
The peanuts. Look at the peanuts.
This is all the rats. What the rat did here.
Look at the peanuts.
I removed the chocolate.
Let's see over here, guys. Oh, there it is, right there. There it is.
Where?
Right there. Right there.
Oh, you're picking his head up.
All right, give me the box.
No way. Where is it?
John, you got to have your right gloves on. We see him, Jacob. Be,
Hold on, no,
be careful. Don't smash him. Don't smash him, John.
I'm right here. I want to lift this
Here,
up.
I got him. I got him.
Get the box ready.
Oh, shoot. Okay, I got him, John. I got him.
He's going the other way, boss. He's going the other way.
Okay, let me get him this way.
Yep.
Grab his tail. Grab his tail.
Oh, shoot. I don't want to hurt him. Oh, it's a baby one.
Okay, don't.
You have the box ready, Angel?
Don't bring the strings.
Ready?
Jacob, you want to come and look?
I don't want to. I usually don't want to.
Oh, hurry. Okay.
Wait, hold on. See if there's any more. Go in the corner there.
Oh my God,
God, look at that.
they've been feeding in here, Jacob.
Yeah, I told you. And there's no way you can.
John, go get the smoke. I want to inject him in these holes right here. Look at this from the outside. They're bringing stuff from the outside. So that's a point. This is a clue right here that there's entry points from the outside coming in, obviously.
Yeah, the door is open.
Especially if it's bringing in this size of material here. Jacob, I got to tell you, this is the first for me, having them migrate into a piano like this.
Okay, this is okay.
All right, guys, so this is a vapor with peppermint oil, which they do not like. So we're gonna pump in high amount, a concentration of peppermint oil to try to see if there's any more in here. And high concentrations of peppermint oil, they don't like it in their eyes. And again, this is why we like this smoke.
Were they playing music sometimes, Jacob,
Yes.
at night?
Yes.
They were playing music?
So when they run, I'm telling you, I scared. I closed the door. I don't come out. I was so scared.
Wow. All right, so Jacob, we're gonna start looking around the other parts of the house because they're definitely migrating in other parts. So we're gonna go in that, can we go into that other bedroom there?
Sure. That
Okay.
bedroom, yeah, there is droplets on the bed.
Oh
under
yeah.
Under the bed.
Look at this
They,
here.
there may be a rat under the bed. Behind the couch.
Okay.
And
Ooh, look at this.
You see?
Lot of defecation right here and urine. See the,
I cleaned that 2 days ago. It happened in the past 2 days.
see that secretion right there on the base molding?
Yep.
This is what they did to the
Look at
carpet.
the carpet.
Oh, they're chewing your
Look at
carpet.
Clean the carpet.
Wait, you said this is all new?
This happened in the past 10 days because we pulled it and we cleaned it and we put back the refrigerator. But we were scared to put back the dishwasher because the dishwasher we find dead bodies behind the dishwasher.
Anything on this side of the house?
Yes, this side definitely is a problem also. If you see, there is a hole there.
Oh yeah.
There's a hole, and the rodents. If there is a hole there, that's the hole.
Yep.
So I had to just temporarily put this fabric to close it, and they run to the bedroom. One more hole here. There you go. There was a TV here, and there is a hole, so the rats was coming out of this hole too.
Okay.
I put this temporarily.
We're gonna have to go under the crawl space. Oh, look at, they're chewing the cables.
Oh, from there to this
Look
one
at-
I didn't
yeah.
close.
Look at, they're
Oh,
chewing
my
the
God.
cables.
All right, so now that we've got the inside of the home pretty much under control with cleaning and figuring out where all of those openings were,
Now it's time to focus on the outside. There's a suspect area right here. You could see the brown oil secretion right here. They're coming right in through here into the crawl space for sure. Hey Dave, yeah. Definitely found an entry.
what, into the crawl space?
Yeah, all the vents look good except for this one right here. Look at that right there.
Oh yeah, it's
Coming in through there. Yeah, well, why don't you smell that real quick?
can't really smell anything, but we need to get in the crawl space now.
Yep, okay.
All right, guys, it's always dreadful to go underneath the crawl space. I don't care how long you've been doing this. So we always do a rock, paper, scissors game to see who's going under. Oh, no.
Yep, I won. Oh, wow, this crawl space has a lot of debris under it. A lot of tile, beer cans. My brother lucked out on this one. All right, here we go. So we're underneath that tub where they were getting in. Oh yeah, look at this. Ooh, that's that hole where they get in right there. There's the plumbing for the tub. Oh boy. Now over here is where the cables are for that TV. Ooh, there's a rat right there. There's a dead rat. Right here, I think. I see that fur. See that fur? Ooh. Yep, dead rat right here. Ooh. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Ooh. Some rat poop right there, guys. Look at that. They're all over this crawl space. They're having a field day. Oh, I see an opening way over there.
Right?
Yeah, well, to my left. But I got these pipes that are they're installed right halfway of the crawl space. I gotta climb over it. That's why it's really important to do these inspections thoroughly. A lot of rodent companies will fail to, and they miss out on a lot of stuff if you're not thorough. Wonder how these bottles get here. Here's the kitchen area right here. Ooh, another rat. Look at that rat right there, guys. Wait, is that a rat? Yep. Right there. Oftentimes when poisons are used, this is what happens. So poisons are not a good thing to have. First of all, it's not a humane way. Plus, it causes a lot of secondary problems to the property. All right, well, this attic or this crawl space is going to have to be disinfected. Oh, there's another dead rat right here. Right there. All right, guys, refrigerator's fully disinfected. The piano has been completely HEPA-vac'd and cleaned. We HEPA-vac'd the couch, sprayed underneath. We sprayed all of this, HEPA-vac'd, wiped all the base molding behind here. And we really impressed upon to Jacob to really make sure that all of his food, the Snicker bars, the peanuts, all of that has to be enclosed in a Tupperware. Cannot have any food out because the dogs, he's leaving the doors open. They're coming from the outside, the inside, the entry points of what we covered, but they're also coming in through the doors. All right, guys, so we've taken some screen here. We've netted all of these upper areas. The upper area is not too concerned about it. They were migrating obviously in the lower, but while we're here, we want to make sure that all entry points to this house are completely excluded. All right, guys, well, this was pretty exciting to come in, rush out here, and sort of save the day for our customer Jacob here. So Jacob, how are you feeling right now?
Oh, I feel fantastic. I'm very happy, really.
That's awesome,
It's a
Jacob.
relief. It's a relief for me.
Elbows.
Yes.
Elbows in the pandemic.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We appreciate those comments, and we'll see you on the next one.